And wait for Adam to see. Adam, can you listen? Hear me, Adam? You fucking prick! Look at this. Look what you're missing. Now you're driving a low poxy van, and we've upgraded.
Look at his posing. Don't fucking film me.
You're supposed to. No change there.
No, that's better. Yeah, that's better than that.
You reckon? A bit harder. That's better.
Again, that's the one.
Well, Adam, can you hear that? Now that's better. That sounds more like it. The window. Drop it with the drop switch.
Oh, they're there, Tim. On the left. In the middle, look. Yeah. I was playing around. Yeah. It just fits me perfectly.
Fuck, you know, you lost it, you cunt. You think, the other fucker's smaller than him who brought the cunt, isn't he? He's smaller than you, isn't he? Yeah. Yeah, straight down. Yeah, go on. Yeah, he's getting there with Bill. He's getting there with Bill. Rev it, you fucker. You rev it. Like a proper F1, you go throttle it.
Fuck with that.